With summer on the way, your grill will be getting a workout. But is it ready? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll give you some tips to be sure that it is right after this.
Exmark mowers are crafted to work day in and day out, season after season. From zero turns to stand-ons, walk-behinds, and push mowers, Exmark's legendary lineup of mowers were built for durability, reliability, and comfort to get you on and off the lawn in less time, so you can get back to the things that matter most. And because it's an Exmark, you always get that legendary cut quality that landscape professionals count on. It's no wonder why Exmark is the official mower of the backyard life. Visit exmark.com today to find your local dealer.
Before you fire up the grill this summer, be sure it's clean. Not just to impress your guests, but to keep it safe. Grease buildup in a grill leads to those nasty flare-ups that are dangerous and can ruin a good steak. On a gas grill, that means first cleaning the drip pan and the shields over the burners. For a charcoal model, emptying the old ashes will usually do the trick. As it starts heating up, scrub the grates with a wire brush to remove the excess grease. If you don't have a grill brush, use a crumpled up piece of aluminum foil. To cut the grease on the outside of a stainless steel grill, you'll want to use a cleaner designed specifically for that surface. Now get that grill clean and enjoy the warm weather. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.